Hey, Google.
Mm.
What is that doing? Wow. You're planning something for Earth Day, is it?
Yes.
Wow. Nice. Okay, your colors and everything is all ready, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Continue. Good progress. What is that? That is a solar panel?
Yes.
Okay. What is that, Baba?
That's one chimney that is making pollution.
Oh, okay. Wow, Google, you finished it?
Yes.
Wow. Yeah. Why the tears here in the picture?
Because people are cutting the trees and making its pollution and all.
We
Yes.
should save trees. We should save our earth. Right? I like it. Good one, Google. Very good.